আজকে আমরা জানার চেষ্টা করব কেন আমাদের ইংরেজি শেখা প্রয়োজন। Why should we learn English? Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope all are fit and fine all the grace of Almighty Allah. This is Mr. Fahim in front of you. Why should we learn English? Let's get started. When you ask me why you learn English, that time my answer will be English is an international language. But in my thing, it's not just a language. It's also a powerful communication tools. That's why I learn English. That's why we need to learn English. English is widely spoken language across the world. You are a student, you are a businessman, you are a traveler. Whatever you, when you know English, when you understand English, English can open many doors. English can open many opportunity for you. So that's why we learn English. Okay, let me share. I'm sharing some important point why we should learn English. That time you can easily understand. First of all, communication. Yes, communication is power. When you know English, you understand English, you can communicate across the world. Across the world, any place, any people, anywhere. Because you know a communication tool. This tool is English. And English is official or common language more over 100 plus countries. So when you know English, you can speak English, you can easily communicate your international friend. Not only friend, but also you can join any international conference. English improve your communication skill. That's why you should learn English. Number two is education purpose. Our countries, most of the students have a dream. In future, they go to abroad for higher study purpose. Yes, this good thing. But without knowing English, without understanding English, is it possible? Yes or no? It's impossible to go abroad for higher study or job purpose. Because when you go to abroad for higher study purpose, at first you face IELTS exam. And we know IELTS exam means International Language Testing System process. They only judge your English capacity. So without English, you cannot go abroad because you don't get opportunity, you don't get more score in IELTS. And when you don't get more score in your IELTS exam, how can you go to abroad? Is it possible? So that's why we should learn English, not only for the IELTS examination, but also when you know English, when you understand English, that time your learning process will be greater, wide range. Because most of the popular book in English and research, thesis, paper, and also article are English. So when you understand English, that time you can easily learn more things. Number three is better job and career. It's also another important point. Our country's most of the people, after finishing their graduation, then searching good job, but they didn't get any good job. For the reason, when you searching good job, that time you face two questions. Can you speak English? And another question is, do you have any computer skill? Because at first they don't judge your talent. At first you face Viva and every Viva in English. So you don't know English, how can you face Viva? So you don't face Viva, you don't get good job. That's why we should learn English. And number four is internet and technology. Over the 60% of internet connect is in English. If you know English, if you understand English, That time you can easily learn more thing. You go to Google, you go to YouTube, they provide enough content. Most of the content is in English. So you know English, you understand English, that time you can learn more thing. For example, graphic design, coding, and also English. I learn English in watching YouTube video. When we know English, that time we can easily explore whole the world. And the number 5 is entertainment purpose. Yes, entertainment purpose also English help us because most of the renowned, most of the prominent movie, TV series came in English. Number 6 is confidence. Yes, when you understand English, when you know English, you can speak English, that time your confidence will be increased. You can easily communicate with each other and you can attend any conference, any international conference because that time you know English. Your confidence top notch that time. And finally, I say that English is not a subject. It's a language. It's a skill. It's a very big skill. When you know English, when you understand English, that time you're learning, you're earning, everything will be increased. So let's get started to learn English. I'm also learning English. So everyone, thank you for watching me. See you again. And I'm apologize for my any mistake. Thank you. Thank you so much.